In the previous video, we created a hero component and saved it as a component template, so it could be reused across different projects. In this video, we'll take it one step further by turning that template into a global component template. This feature is extremely useful when you need consistent content across multiple pages, while managing everything from a single source. If you've worked with global headers or global footers before, this concept will feel familiar. A global template follows the same principle. Every location using that template displays the same content. When the global template is updated, all instances are automatically synchronized. We'll start with the hero component created in the previous tutorial. Right-click the component, select Save As, and then choose Component Template, just like creating a regular template. However, inside the Save dialog, this time we'll enable the Use as Global Component option. This setting transforms a regular template into a global template, capable of synchronizing across the entire website. Then enter a template name and click Save. Once saved, the new template will appear in the Your Components section. You'll notice a globe icon displayed next to it. This visual indicator helps distinguish global component templates from regular component templates. We'll open this template using the Edit button. To make the changes easier to observe, I'll replace the image and modify some content so it looks different from the original template. After making the changes, save the template and drag this global template into any position on the current page. Next, switch to another page and add the same global template there as well. This time, I'll edit the global component directly from the page and save the changes. The content has now been updated. Let's return to the previous page to see the result. As you can see, the component on the previous page has been updated automatically as well. This is the power of global component templates. Imagine your website has dozens or even hundreds of pages using the same pricing table, contact information, promotional banner, or company introduction section. Instead of editing each instance individually, you only need to update the global template once, and the entire website is synchronized instantly. This saves a significant amount of time, reduces errors, and ensures consistency across your entire content system.